Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the count function in Google Sheets step by step. The count function helps you quickly count the number of cells that contain numerical values without manually counting them one by one. So let's get started. First, open Google Sheets on your computer. Create a new spreadsheet or open the sheet where you want to count numbers. For this example, we have a list of student scores in column A under the heading Scores. Now, click on the empty cell where you want the count result to appear. To use the count function, type equals count, parentheses, A2, A11. This formula will count all the cells that contain numbers from cell A2 to A11. After typing the formula, press Enter on your keyboard. Google Sheets will automatically count the number of numerical values in the selected range and display the result in the cell. You can also use the count function by selecting the cells manually. Type equals count, parentheses, then select the range of numbers you want to count, close the bracket, and press Enter. For example, selecting the values from A2 to A11 will automatically create the formula equals count, parentheses, A2, A11. The count function only counts cells that contain numbers. It will ignore text, blank cells, and other non-numerical values. For example, if your list contains scores, ages, prices, or quantities, count will only count the cells with numerical data. The count function is useful for counting things like test scores, sales records, inventory numbers, attendance data, and other numerical information. If you add new numbers to your list, you can update the cell range in the formula to include the new values. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the count function in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tutorials, spreadsheet tips, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.